Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a body scrub that you can use for your stretch mark. It will really help you ease those stretch marks away. You need shea butter. I am going to use only 1 tablespoon of shea butter, that is 10 grams of shea butter. I am going to use 1 teaspoon of extra olive oil, and I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, and I'm going to mix it together with my wicks. You can use your spoon to mix it. It is very good for your skin to help you remove those blemishes. And I'm going to use my shower gel. You can use any liquid soap, from Castile soap and any kind of soap. This is a recipe that you can use right away. You don't need to keep them, so you make them when you want to make, whenever you want to use them. So stir, and this is how it's going to look. And you're going to start adding all the ingredients. I'm going to add the coffee. This is 125 grams of coffee. Then I am going to whisk it again. Use your spoon, your wooden spoon, or whatever you have available to whisk. Just turn it. And then I'm going to add sugar. And then I'm going to turn them together. This will help you remove those stretch marks from your skin. I'm going to add 250 grams of sugar. I have 100 grams left by the side. You can also make it runny. You don't need to make it very thick, because this is what you are going to use just right away. You're going to use it right away, and then turn it. You can add essential oil, but I didn't add essential oil to this. It's just plain, and it is so good. It will remove those blemishes from your skin, like that's cellulite and stretch mark from your skin. You can use it once a week. Yes, use it once a week and scrub it evenly on your skin, and you will get a very nice result. Leave it running this way and use it that way, and we see it is very, very, very good for your skin. Those stretch marks will just disappear in no due time when you use them constantly, and up to 2 months you will see a very good result. Nothing is clearing that day, but as you use it gradually, you will get a very good result. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.